HANA reporting with SAP BOBA. So here in HANA reporting with BOBA, let's discuss about BOBA first. So SAP Business Object Business Intelligence, this tool name version is R4. The 4.2 is the new version now. The earlier names of the BOBA is BO, BOXI, BOBJ. These are the earlier names of the BO. So on top of HANA views, in HANA mainly we observe HANA tables, and HANA views. On top of tables, views has been developed. The couple of views are there: HANA calculation views and HANA analytic views. These views we can consider in BOBA. So in BOBA, first of all, we should create a queries. So these queries we can consider to develop the reports. So BO query, we can call it as universe. So to create the universe in BO, two tools has been defined. One is UDT. UDT stands for Universe Design Tool. The extension of the universe in UDT is .unv. So we can consider in UDT both the HANA tables and views. And one more tool is there, that is called Information Design Tool. So the extension of the universe in Information Design Tool is .unx. Here also we can consider both the HANA tables and the HANA views. In IDT we can create not only universe, we can create a OLAP connection also, or BIGS connection. BIGS connection we can also call it as a OLAP connection. On HANA views. So let us see today how to create a universe in UDT and IDT against HANA views, calculation and analytic views. Yeah. So first of all, let us open the HANA Studio. And select the specific view, HANA view from the package. So log in with HANA dataset here. And right click on the content, remove the filter here, expand the content, select the specific package. MGR is the specific package, GPR. So here a couple of calculation views and analytic views are there. I would like to consider one calculation view. Let us see the data in this calculation view. So this is the data what we observe here. So let us consider this calculation view. Okay, calc underscore view underscore GPR1. So this calculation view is maintained under the package GPR. Now to create the universe, two tools are defined in BO. One is UDT, second is the IDT. First let us see in UDT. Go to start, programs, from SAP Business Intelligence, go to SAP BOBA, client tools. Here you can see the tools here, information design tool and universe design tool. Open the universe design tool. Provide the login credentials. Please. Now go to file, new, go to file, new, now to create a universe here, we should follow the couple of steps here. First of all, we should define the universe parameters. So to define the universe parameters, first provide the name of the universe. I would like to provide the name of the universe is sample or calculation view 1 and click on new connection. So here there are couple of connection types are there: personal, secured and shared. If we choose the connection type is personal, then we cannot export our universe into repository, so that we should always consider secured as a connection type. So let us consider connection type is secured. So connection name, I would like to provide same as universe name, calculation view 1, and choose the connection folder. I would like to choose the connection folder DD test and click on next. Then the list of connections will be displayed here. So from among let us select the HANA connection. Now see here, from the list of connections we should select HANA connection. Now expand SAP. So select SAP HANA database, expand it, and JDBC and ODBC are there. Let us select the JDBC. Next, then provide the login credentials of HANA. So provide the username, password. And choose the single server. Data source format is single server. Host name is SAP HAN. instance number is 00. Now click on test connection. Now server is responding. Now click on next and finish. In UDT universe, we can consider both HANA tables and HANA views. In UDT, we can consider HANA tables from schema. Schema already there, the name of the schema is GPR. Whereas HANA views also we can consider from package GPR. But this package we can access through standard schema called SysBic. So if you want to consider package views, we should go to the standard schema SysBic and select. In the case of tables, we should go to the schema GPR. Now click on OK. Now this is the structure area of the UDT. This is the class and objects area of the UDT. So right click on the structure area, click on tables, then you can see the list of schemas here. The list of schemas. Select our schema. In HANA we have created one schema called GPR. Select GPR schema. This is our schema GPR. Expand it. Under we can see the tables. What are the column and row store tables are maintained in HANA, we can see here directly. If you want to consider tables directly, you can consider the tables from here. But I want to consider HANA view, calculation view. So that I need to go to standard schema called SysBic. So SysBic, where is the SysBic here? This is the SysBic. Expand it. So more views already there in HANA. That is the reason it will take some time to retrieve all. Yeah. Now under this standard schema SysBic, we need to select our package. So what is our package name? GPR is our package. Under the package we have created our required view, calculation view. Yeah. Yeah, GPR. See here, these are the analytic views. These are the attribute views, and go in the bottom you can see calculation views. So this is our calculation view, required calculation view. GPR calc underscore view underscore GPR1. So select and click on insert. Now view will be added to the structure area in the UDT. If you want to see the preview of the view, right click on this view, click on table values. Then you can see the preview of the view. And once add the view, drag the view into left side panel. Then the view will become a class. And it contains objects as well. So you can rename to the class here. Double click on this. So you can provide the rename here. I can provide like this. And under this view, the list of objects came here. The fields of the view here in BO will become a objects of the view. Objects are three types here in BO. Each object maintains three qualifications. So by default, all objects added as a dimension objects. So I would like to change the qualification of these three objects. Double click on the quantity. Go to properties, choose the qualification as measure. The function is sum. Now the status has been changed. In similar way, net sales. Choose the qualification measure, function is sum, and OK. Go to discount also, go to properties, choose the qualification measure, function is sum, and apply. And double click on year number and make it as a year. Now let us save this universe. Once save the universe, go to menu bar here, click on check integrity. This is for test the universe. And click on OK. Please wait. Now go to file. Once check the universe and save the universe, click on export the universe. Now universe has been exported successfully. Now universe is successfully exported. Okay. In similar manner, let us go to the IDT, that is another tool to create the universe in BO against HANA calculation views. Yeah. Then open another tool in BO. The tool is information design tool. The extension of the universe in UDT is .unv. It supports a couple of properties only. But if you want to use additional properties also, you should go to IDT. In UDT, we can able to create only relational connection on source databases. But whereas in IDT, we can create both relational connection as well as OLAP connection. To create a connection here, the procedure is unique in IDT. In IDT, three things we should follow. First, let us create a data foundation. Then based on the data foundation, let us create a business layer. Then publish the business layer, then it will become a universe in IDT. First of all, before create the data foundation, we should create a connection. So here two connections are available, relational connection as well as OLAP connection. So let us see how to create a relational connection first. To create a relational connection, go to repository resources, double click on this connection, provide the login credentials. Now expand it. So connections universes, two folders came here. So first of all, right click on connections. I would like to create a one folder. I will keep my folder name. I would like to make it as a GPR. In similar manner, right click on universes, insert on folder. Let us provide the folder name GPR. Now, first of all, go to connections here. So in IDT, information design tool, I can able to build a OLAP connection as well as relational connection against HANA. But against HANA tables and views, I can able to create relational connection. But OLAP connection, I can able to create on HANA views only. So go to my folder here, connection folder. GPR is our connection folder. Right click on connection folder, insert a relation connection. Here I can able to create the connection on HANA. Provide the resource name. I would like to provide the resource name is GPR1. And choose the SAP HANA connection, HANA database, select this, JDBC drivers, next, provide the login credentials, host SAP HANA, instance number 00. Now, this is the way we can able to create the relational connection on top of this. I considered HANA as a source. Similarly, let us create a BIX connection, also called OLAP connection. Right click on the connection folder, create a OLAP connection. I would like to provide the OLAP connection name GPR2. Choose the SAP HANA client from SAP HANA. Provide the login credentials. Authentication mode is and host name. Let us provide SAP HANA is the host name. Instance number 00. Provide the login credentials. And click on next. From the list of packages displayed here, let us select our package. Our package is a GPR. So under this package, the couple of calculation analytic views are available. Let us select our required calculation view. Finish. Now successfully VOLAP connection has been created. These VOLAP connection or BIGS connections we can consider directly in the creation of some reports in BO. Some reports we can consider via universe. So this is the relational connection. On top of VOLAP connection, we cannot create the universe in IDT. If you want to create a universe in IDT, we should compulsory consider relational connection. So connection is ready. Now go to local projects here. Let us create a new project. I would like to provide the project name is GPR. Now go to repository resources, right click on the relational connection GPR1, click on create relational connection shortcut and add this connection to the project GPR. Now successfully the relational connection will be added to the project. Now right click on the project. Let us create a data foundation. In the creation of universe, 3 steps are involved in IDT. Connection first, second is the data foundation, third is the business layer. So provide the data foundation name GPR1. Click on next. Let us consider single source universe. Consider the existing connection GPR1 is a relational connection. Finish. Now data foundation has been prepared. Now let us consider either HANA tables or views into the data foundation. I would like to consider HANA tables. HANA tables we will consider from the schema called GPR in HANA. So let us consider the tables, insert tables, expand the connection. Here expand the links here. Now what is our schema name here? GPR. Select the GPR here. Up to E only the schemas are maintained. Then expand this. Yeah, GPR is there here. Expand it. So from this I would like to consider some required tables. Time period I would like to consider, product consider, FAT customer order and customer, and click on finish. Once the tables has been added to the structure in the data foundation, go to detect joins. Choose the column names, next, finish. Now joins has been made, but there is no join between time period and FAT customer order because here the period ID, here order period ID, different header names are there. So we should provide the join manually here. To provide the manual join, go to insert join. So let us consider here FAT customer order, here time period. From FAT customer order, select order period ID. From here, select period ID. Okay. Now go to detect cardinality. So detect the cardinalities activity is compulsory while we join the tables. So detect cardinalities. So cardinality is the relationship between the tables, entity relationship. Now define the key properties to the table. So go to customer table. Go to customer table. So right click on the customer, set as a primary key. Go to product table, right click on the product, set as a primary key. Go to time period, right click on the period ID, set as a key primary key. Go to fact customer order, right click on order ID, set as a key primary key. At the same time, product ID set as a key foreign key. Customer ID set as a key foreign key. And order period ID set as a key foreign key. Now save the data foundation. Now right click on the project, new business layer. Choose the relational data foundation. Next, provide the business layer name, GPR1. Next, choose the data foundation GPR1, finish. Now this is the business layer. Here classes by default will be added from the data foundation. So let us open each and every class. First of all, open this class and make it as a, we can edit the class information, customer, and expand it, customer ID, make it as a primary key. Go to product, here also same thing, make it as a name product, and here product ID, make it as a primary key. Go to time period, and here period ID, make it as a primary key. At the same time, let us modify header names here as a year, quarter as a quarter, month as a month. Then let us go to the fact customer order. Fact cust order. Order ID, make it as a primary key. Product ID, make it as a foreign key. Customer ID, make it as a foreign key. Order period ID, make it as a foreign key. So order ID is a primary key, foreign key, and order period ID foreign key. And go to fact customer order, change the properties of the objects. For example, quantity. Right click on this, turn into measure with aggregation function sum. Similarly, net sales also turn into measure with aggregation function sum. Now save the business layer. Once you save the business layer, right click on the business layer, publish to the repository. So our repository name is what? GPR is our universal repository. Select the GPR repository. Now select the GPR here, finish. Successfully, universe has been created. In IDT, one feature is there. We can see the data preview also. Go to data foundation, no, not data foundation, go to business layer. Here queries option is there. Go to queries. Let us build one query. Let us consider the few objects. Country name, line name, year, then quantity, net sales. The preview data will be displayed here. Fine. Okay. Then save the business layer. This is the way we can able to create the universe in IDT on top of HANA tables. HANA views also we can consider. But I have created a OLAP connection directly here, or called BIX connection. In the creation of crystal reports, dashboard reports, and analysis applications, we can consider directly BIX connections. And universe also we can consider. Both options will be available. So this is the way we can able to create the universe and BIX connection in IDT.